The 1957 Mercury Turnpike Cruiser, one of my favorite cars from the 50s and Mercury's dramatic expression of dream car design. Today's video, we are going to be focusing on the Breezeway Window. So in the owner's manual on page 14, it explains that during hot weather, air from the intake ports create a cooling breeze as it flows through the car and out through the power-operated rear window. The power-operated rear window was actually standard, while power side windows were optional. The rear window control switch is on the left-hand side of the monitor control panel. It is a backlight switch, and pushing the switch will lower the back window until it completely disappears into the rear compartment. This feature also adds a great deal of styling appeal since the package tray seems to extend right out to the rear deck lid. Alrighty, and that does conclude our video. If you like this and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and of course, check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrentsOJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.